Police have alleged that a 19-year-old man who drowned at the weekend was pushed into Darling Harbour during a wild brawl. 22-year-old former security guard Ehab Taleb appeared in court today, charged with manslaughter and affray.
The body of 19-year-old Jason Daep was pulled from Darling Harbour early yesterday morning. 3 off-duty security guards were arrested at the scene. One of them, 22-year-old Ehab Taleb, was charged with manslaughter and affray. Police allege Mr Taleb pushed the 19-year-old into the water in what they describe as a reckless and dangerous act. At the Central Local Court today, the 22-year-old pleaded not guilty and was granted bail on strict conditions.
While I appreciate there was a loss of life, clearly from the facts there are issues that will require careful consideration.
Mr Taleb's lawyer told the court his client had no history of violence.
At this stage, we'll be challenging the charges.
The 22-year-old's father was in court today to support his son. As part of bail conditions, Taleb will now have to move home with his parents, report daily to local police and surrender his passport. The court also ruled that Taleb is not to contact his co-accused or witnesses and not to enter the Darling Harbour precinct. His lawyer says Taleb has now quit work to re-enrol in a Bachelor of Civil Engineering.
The police investigation is continuing into the fight and drowning, which will include a review of police procedures, given officers were present at the time.
Mr Taleb, can you tell us what happened on Saturday night?
Taleb's due back in court in April, while the other 2 security guards will face charges of affray. Letitia Lemke, ABC News, Central Local Court.